Over the last few weeks, I've been exploring a program called BluffTitler, which I came across by accident whilst doing some research. BluffTitler is a Windows-only app for making real-time 3D and 2D animations. It's very good for making short promotional videos or animations that can be incorporated into bigger projects with video editing software. Its primary use is for animating 3D logos and text in a very easy and interactive way. I was impressed by its real-time rendering engine, which saves a lot of time and makes animating in 3D more fun than having to wait ages for things to render. It has so many different features, and videos can be exported in many different formats. Most of the examples in this video are created from ready-made examples and templates that come installed with BluffTitler. Text and design elements can be completely changed and customized. It supports different font types, image formats, and 3D model import. Effects that would be time-consuming and complicated to set up in other software are very quick and easy to do in this program with ready-made effects and presets that can be customized with easy-to-use sliders. The program even comes with built-in contextual help and is fully documented on their official website. Oh, and did I mention it also does roller coasters?